Hello grade 8. Inshallah, today we will make revision on the algebra. The exam consists of 5 questions. The first one is complete. It consists of 6 points, 1 mark for each one. And second question is choose, consists of 5 points, 1 mark also for each point. Then you have 3 essay questions, each one consists of 2 parts, each one has 4 marks for each one. Okay, 4 marks for each one. Let's go. First question here is a choose. Number 1, if x power 2 plus k x plus 25 is perfect square, then k equals what? We know k here, or kx is the middle term in the perfect square trinomial, equal positive or negative root the first term times root the third term. So positive or negative 2 multiply x multiplied by 5 equal positive or negative 10. Excellent. 10x, and then k equal positive or negative 10. Okay. The second one, if x power 2 minus a equal x minus 3 x plus 3, then a equals what? This expression is called what? Yes, difference between two squares. So the second term equal first times second in binomial. 3 times 3 equal 9. So a equals 9. Next one, if a power 2 plus b power 2 equals 7 and ab equal 3, then a minus b power 2 equals what? This expression is called perfect square trinomial. So you can expand it into a power 2 plus b power 2, and the middle term equal 2 times first times the second term. Okay. Now you can substitute by the values of a power 2 plus b power 2. A power 2 plus b power 2 equals 7. Okay. And ab equal 3. Here you have 2ab. Okay. So 2 minus 3 equal 6. Then 7 minus 6 equal 1. So the answer equal 1. Next one, if x power 2 plus 14x plus b is perfect square trinomial, okay, then p equal what? P here in the perfect square trinomial is the third term. So you can follow these steps to find the value of the third term in the perfect square trinomial. The first one, find half the middle term. Half the middle term is 7x. Then divide it by root the first term. Root the first term is x. Then simplify it. Okay, if you simplify, the answer equal 7. Then find the square of the simplify. The square of the simplify, 7 power 2 equal 49. So the answer is 49. Okay. Next one. Number 5, the expression x power 2 plus ax plus 2 can be factorized. Then a equal what? If this expression can be factorized, okay, then a equal what? Now I need to find two numbers, their product equals 2, okay, and their sum equals what? Okay, so I have 2 pairs of arc. Factorize x power 2 into x and x, okay, and also factorize 2 into 2 times 1 only. This sign here of the last term is positive, so I will take the same sign of the middle term, positive. So the middle term here, or the second term, equal what? Equal the sum of product, extremes and means, okay. So x plus 2x equal 3x. So a here equal 3. Next one, if x plus 3 is factor of the expression x power 2 plus x minus 6, then the other factor is what? The same idea. I will factorize this expression into 2 factors like this, x, and factorize x. Find 2 numbers, their product equals 6, and their difference equal what? Equal 1. So 2 and 3. The greatest number takes the same sign of the middle term, okay, and the other takes the opposite sign. So here x plus 3, one factor, so the other factor is x minus 2, okay. Next one. If x minus 1 is a factor of the expression x power 2 minus 4x plus 3, then the other factor is what? The same idea here, okay? One of the factor here, x minus 1, x power 2, it's factorized into x and x, okay? And 3 factorized into 3 times 1. And the same number takes the same sign of the middle term, the negative. So the second or the other factor is x minus 3. Okay, the next one here, number 8. If x plus y equal 5 and x minus y equal 3, then x power 2 minus y power 2 equals what? This expression is called what? Yes, difference between two squares, and you have two factors like them in everything, all the different in sign, one of them positive and the other negative. Okay, so the product of the two factors equal by substituting the values of the two factors here, so we get x power 2 minus y power 2 equals 3 times 5 equal 15. Okay, next one, x plus 3y, all of them raised to power 2 equal x power 2 dots plus 9y power 2. Only expand the perfect square trinomial. Square first, x power 2, square second, 9y power 2. So the middle term equal what? Positive or negative 2 times root of first times root of second, or positive or negative 2 times the first times second. But here not positive or negative, only takes the same sign of the bracket, the same sign here, positive. So I will write what? I will write positive here. Okay, first times second times 2, 6xy. So the answer is 6xy. Next one, number 10. If x plus y equal 4 and x power 2 minus y power 2 equal 8, then x minus y equal what? The same idea in number 8, okay? This expression is called difference between two squares. So to find the value of the factor x minus y, only 8 divided by 4 equal 2. So the value of x minus y equal 2, okay? The next question, number 11. If x power 3 plus y power 3 equal 28 and x plus y equal 2, then x power 2 minus xy plus y power 2 equals what? Okay, this expression is called what? Good. It's called difference between two cubes. Difference or sum? Here sum. So sum between two cubes. Okay, here you have two brackets. One of them is big and the other is smaller. One of them is smaller and the other is big. Okay, so I have the smaller bracket and the other is big. Okay, find the cube root of first x, cube root of second y, then the big brackets equal what? Square the first here in the binomial, x power 2 square the second here, and first times second with the opposite sign, negative xy. All of them equal what? Equal 28. One factor equals 2, then the other factor equal what? 8 divided 2 equals 4. Okay, sorry, 28 divided by 2 equal 14. Okay. The next one, number 12. If x power 3 plus 27 equal x plus 3, x power 2 plus k plus 9, then k equals what? Here's the same idea. Okay, I said what? I said k here equal first times second in binomial with the what? Yes, with the opposite sign. Okay, so equal negative 3x. Good. Number 13, the solution set of this equation 4 over x equal x over 9 in R is what? Okay, by taking the cross multiplication, we get 4 times 9 equals 36 equal 6 times 6 equal x. X times x equal x power 2, so x power 2 equals 36. Now this equation in second degree, so I have what? 2 roots, so x equal positive or negative 6. Good. The next one, if the age of Sally 2 years ago was X years, okay? With Sally from 2 years ago was X years. Then her age after 3 years from now will be what? Okay. Now Sally age now equal X plus 2. Okay, because from 2 years ago his age equal X years, but now equals what? I will make plus 3 because I know I need to find her age after 3 years from now. Okay, so the answer is X plus 5. X plus 5. Okay, where is X plus 5 here? You can make the answer. Okay, the answer here X plus 5. Number, the next one, four power 3 plus 4 power 3 plus 4 power 3 plus 4 power 3 equals what? Okay, you can take 4 power 3 as a common. We get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. All of them equal 4. So 4 power 3 times 4 equal 4 power 4. Good. Number 16. If 3 power x equal 4, then 3 power negative x equal what? Okay, here 3 power negative x equal 1 over 3 power x, and the value of 3 power x equal 4, so the value here 1 over 4. Number 17, if 2 power 2x equal 4, then 2 power x minus 1 equal what? Okay, here you can simplify 4 or write it in the another form, 2 power 2. The bases here are equal, then the power are equal. 2x equal 2, then x equal, good, equal 1. By substitute by the values 1 in this equation, we get 2 power 1 minus 1 equal 1. Number 18, if 3 power x equals 7 and 7 power y equal 9, then the value of xy equal what? Okay, only substitute by the values of 7 here. 7 equals 3 power x. You can cancel 7 here and write 3 power x, all of them raised to power y. Okay, all of them equal what? Equal 9. Okay, now 3 power x, all of them power y. So 3 equal 3 power xy equal 9 here. You can write 9 as 3 power 2. The bases here are equal, then the powers also are equal, so x, y equal 2, okay? Number 19, the expression 3 power x times 3 power x times 3 power x over 3 power x plus 3 power x plus 3 power x. In the numerator, we get 3 power 3x, but in the denominator the power is 3 power x plus 1. Okay, you have the same base, and between them what? Divide, only subtract the power. So 3 power 3x minus x plus 3 minus also 1. So the answer equal 3 power 2x minus 1, the first one. The next, number 20, the last one in the choose if the probability that a pupil succeeded in 70%, 70 what? Percentage, 70%, then the probability of his failure is what? Okay, the succeeds here equals 70%, so the failure is 30%. But A, B, C, D, I don't have 30%. Okay, you can also write this in decimal form, so 30 over 100 equal what? Equal 0.3. Okay, 0.3. Now the second form from the question number 2. Factorize each of the following. Number 1, x power 2 minus 8x plus 12. Okay, I need what to factorize. This expression is called what? It's called trinomial. Okay, so I only open two pairs of arc, factorize x power 2 into x and x, search for two numbers, their product equals 12 and their sum equals 8. Okay, 2 and 6. Okay, here the last number is positive, take the same sign of the middle. Clear? Number 2, 25 x power 2 minus 30 x plus 9. This expression is called what? Perfect square trinomial. Okay. Make sure the middle term is true. Okay. 2 times root of first times root of second equals 30x. Then this expression is perfect square trinomial. So you can only factorize it in one pair of arc raised to power 2 and find the root of first term 5x, find root of second term 3, take the same sign in the middle term, okay, like this. Number 3, this expression is called what? X power 6 minus 64y power 6. This expression, two types. You can say of it difference between two squares or difference between two cubes. But in the factorization only, in the first factorize this expression into difference between two squares. Okay, like this. You have two bracket. You have two bracket like this. X power 3. Okay. Minus 8y power 3. And the second one, x power 3 plus 8y power 3. Then factorize each factor into another one. Here is called what? Difference between two cubes. But here sum between two cubes. So I have for each one two brackets. One of them is big and the other is smaller, like this. Okay. Here the cube root of first x, cube root of second equal to y. Take the same sign. Now square the first one and square of the second one, and first times second with the opposite sign, 2xy. The same idea here. X power x plus 2y. Here x power 2 minus 2xy plus 4y power 2. Okay. This to factorize this expression perfectly or completely. Number 4, x power 2 minus 81. This expression is called what? Good difference between two cubes. Sorry, two squares. I'm sorry. So you have two brackets like them and everything, only different in sign. One of them positive and the other is negative. Number 5, 4x power 2 plus y power 4. Okay, take care. This power here equal what? Power 4. And here is sum. So this expression completely factorizing by completely the perfect square trinomial. The first step, find the middle term. The middle term here equal positive or negative 2 times root the first term 2x, sorry, positive or negative 2 times root the first 2x times root the second y power 2 equal positive or negative 4x power 2 y power 2. Now, okay, put this middle term one with the positive and the other with the negative. Okay, so 4x power 4 plus 4 here plus 4 x power 2 y power 2 plus y power 4 minus 4 x power 2 y power 2. Then take the first three terms to factorize it into perfect square trinomial like this, okay? 2x power 2 and here plus y power 2 minus 4x power 2 y power 2. Then factorize it into two bracket as difference between two squares, okay? Number 6, 8x power 3 plus 27, or I said what difference between two cubes. You can factorize it as I explained. Number 7, 2y power 2 plus 5y plus 3, okay? Here is trinomial expression, but a here equal 2, not equal to 1, okay? So I have what? 2 pairs of arc. Factorize 2y power 2 into 2y and y. You can factorize the 3 into 3 and 1, okay? Also 3 here and 1 here, okay? But this is not equal. You can only write 1 here and 3 here, okay? Then the last term is positive, so take the same sign of the middle term and check the middle term here equal is correct, okay? So 3y plus 2y equal 5y, it's correct. Number 8, okay, last one, 8 and 9 in this expression. 3x power 3 plus 2x power 2 plus 12x plus 8. I have what? I have here, I have 4 terms in this expression. So I will factorize it by grouping, okay? So you can take the first 2 terms as a group and the second 2 terms as a group. Here, take the, take the common factor in each group. The common factor in the first group is x power 2. Then 3x plus 2, and the common factor in the second group is 4. The remainder is 3x plus 2. Then you can take the bracket 3x plus 2 as a common. So 3x plus 2 times x power 2 plus 4, okay? And the same idea here in number 9. In number 9, the same idea. Factorizing by grouping, okay? Now, the question number 3. Find in R the solution set of each of the following, okay? Number 1, x power 2 minus x minus 20 equal 0. I need to find what the roots of this equation, okay? So you can factorize it into two brackets like this. x 20, 5 and 4. The greatest take the same sign in the middle. So x equal negative 4 and x equal 5. The solution set in R. Okay, so don't forget the solution set equal negative 4 and 5. Number 2, 5x power 2 plus 12x equal 44. You can put 44, move 44 to another side with the opposite sign. We get 5x power 2 plus 12x minus 44 equal 0. Okay. Now you can factorize it to find the solution with the same idea in number 1. Okay. But in number 3, x times x minus 3 equal 5x. Here you must multiply x times this bracket, okay, by distributive property. X times x power 2, x times 3 equal negative 3x, and move 5x to another side with the opposite sign, minus 5x. Then you can what? You can simplify it. X power 2 minus 3x minus 5x equals minus 8x equals 0. Then you can take x as a common, okay, like here. So the remainder is x minus 8 equals 0. Then the solution set equals 0 and 8, okay, because x equals 0, x equals 8, okay. And number 4, here, x minus 1 raised to power 2 plus x equals 3. The same idea here, only expand this expression. X minus 1 raised to power 2 is perfect square trinomial. So x power 2 plus 1 minus here first times second times 2 equal 2x plus x. I will move here 3 with the opposite sign, minus 3. Then simplify all of them, okay? X power 2, but here negative 2x plus x equal negative x plus 1 minus 3 equal negative 2. All of them equal 0. Then you can factorize it. X 2, 1, 2 takes the same sign of the middle, the other, then x equal negative 1, x equal 2, then the solution set equal negative 1 and 2, okay? And you must write the solution set grade 8. Negative 1 and 2, okay? Number 4, two real numbers. The difference between them is 5 and their sum of their squares is 73. Find the two numbers, okay? So let the two real numbers is, the first number is x and the second number is what? Their difference between them is 5. So okay, let the first number is x. Second number is what? Their difference equal 5. Okay, so the number, or the second number equal x minus 5. Their sum, the sum of their squares is 73. So their squares, the sum between their squares, the square of the first x power 2. The square of the second x minus 5 is to power 2. All of them equal what? Equal 73. Now you can also expand this. Then you can what? Simplify and solve it as equation to find the value of x, like I explained it before, okay? Now number 5. Now number 2 is number 2 root 2 power 5, okay? Root 2 raised to power 5 times what? 10 power 6. 10 power 6. 10 here equal 2 times 5. Okay, so you can write 2 power 6 times 5 power 6. I only distribute the power, okay? All of them divided by, root 2 raised to power 5 times 2 power 6 times 5 power 6 divided by root 2 raised to power 3 times 2 power 3 times 5 power 5, okay? Root 2, the same base, 2, the same base, 5, the same base. So I only what? Distribute the, I only subtract the power. So root 2, 5 minus 3 equal 2 times 2 power 3 times 5 power 1. Okay, root 2 power 2 equals what? Equals 2. So 2 power 1 times 2 power 3 equal 2 power 4. All of them times by 5. Okay, 2 power 4 equals 16. 16 times 5, you can find the answer, the final answer by calculator. Okay, the last question. Number 6, complete the following. This question and the probability. Number 1, a team plays 20 matches with other teams. The probability of winning is 0.4. Then the number of matches which team doesn't win them. Okay, the probability of winning 0.4. So the probability doesn't not win 0.6. I need to find the number of matches which the team doesn't win. Okay, so only the probability 0.6 times number of matches 20. Okay, and you can find the answer by the calculator. Number 2, the probability of the impossible event equal 0. Good. And the certain event or sure event equal 1. So here 0 and here 1. And the probability for any event greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal 1. Number 3, box contains 40 cards. If is numbered from 1 to 40. If a card is drawn randomly, then the probability that the card is numbered by an even number divisible by 3. Okay, the number divisible by 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24, okay, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. By the question, divisible by 3 only? No. Is even number divisible by 3. Okay, so the even number only 6, 12, 18, 24. Here can 21, but I take only 24. Okay, 30, 36. Number of them is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number, so the probability is 6 over 40. And you must write the answer finally in the simplest form. So the answer equals 3 over 20, grade 8. Good luck.